Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to block videos on YouTube Kids. So in order to block videos on YouTube Kids, first of all, open up the YouTube Kids application on your smartphone and then sign in with your parent-approved Google account. After you are in, from the home page, go ahead and find the video you want to block from the list. Tap the three dots right at the top right corner of the video, and then at the bottom you will see block this video option. Simply tap on that and enter your parent code to confirm. After doing that, the video will be blocked. This will now stop appearing in your child's feed, and by blocking unwanted videos or channels, you are tailoring the experience to what's best for your child's learning and entertainment. So that's how it's simply done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.